Okay guys, back on this 3.0. We're going to find out now, is there a spark plug wire or a spark plug that's an issue that can cause a miss? The easiest way to do that is to pull off the wires off of your coil pack or distributor, whatever you have, set them back on there just a little ways like that. Get you something to grab hold of them with, pair of pliers, something with rubber grip so you don't shock yourself. Now we're going to fire it up and we're going to pull them off one at a time. What we're looking for is not a change in the idle. When you pull it off, the idle should drop down, maybe even the car will die. Put it back on, start it again, check another one. What we want to find out, is there one of them that does not cause the vehicle to change the way that it runs? There's that lifter tap. Alright, so we'll pull this first one off. Not only can you hear the difference, you can see the spark in there. So that's not one. That's not an issue. That one's working properly. Hear it and see it. We're good there. Next one. Almost wanted to die with that one. There's a nice spark. That one's good. Whoops. So those three are good. Next one. I can hear it popping in there. We're good there. Next one. I can hear it. We're good there. And the last one. I can hear it and see it. So we are good. So our problem is not a spark plug wire or the coil pack. So I hope this part of that video helps you out. We will go on to the next thing. Thanks a bunch, guys. Please click like. Please click subscribe. Boy, that thing's really got a hell of a miss, don't it? And please click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. Enjoy.